repeatedly do. Excellence, therefore, is not an act, but a habit. Venerable Chancellor and Vice Chancellor of the University of Sri Jayewardenepura, the guest of honor Mr. Lalit Weerathunga, Director of PIM, Managing Director of PIM International Center, academics, members of the faculty, fellow graduates, distinguished invitees, ladies and gentlemen. Fellow graduates, we are the stars tonight because we have worked hard, we have succeeded, and we have achieved. Therefore, we deserve to congratulate ourselves. Destiny to us was not a matter of chance. It was a matter of choice. From the day we walked through the doors of PIM, we started a journey that was propelled by a thirst for new knowledge, commitment to achieve our goals, and determination never to give up. Indeed, the journey did not flow through calm waters, but it was one that had its ups and downs as it passed over mountains and thunderstorms. During the 2 years at PIM, we learned new perspectives on management. We challenged each other, but we respected one another's opinions. We shared our experiences and worked as teams. Mostly, we learned the value of originality and not to resort to the evil of plagiarism. We learned to survive long hours without much sleep. I'm sure the nutritious delicacies in the cafeteria helped to boost our energy at times. Dear fellow graduates, recollect and remember the times we shared within the walls of PIM and the extended hours spent some time in the car park finalizing the conclusion and the punchline. Remember how we desperately tried to beat the traffic and road closures and make it to class by 5:30? And those rare and odd days when we thought of sneaking out before 8:30, only to find the vehicle blocked in the car park and having to stay till 8:30 anyway? Today, we walk away proudly because we have graduated from the most prestigious management institute in Sri Lanka. Not just that, we walk away proudly because we have acquired the knowledge, the skills, and the right attitude to take on any organizational challenge in the world. We walk away proudly because we have had 2 years of a unique experience that has molded us for life. Yes, for life. As we walk out, seeking new challenges and boundaries, we humbly bow in respect to all those who made us what we are today. Professor Gunapal Nanakara, Founder Director of PIM and Managing Director of PIM International Center, you were a tower of strength, a source of motivation, and a fountain of inspiration. You helped us stretch ourselves to achieve our best. You helped us discover and made us realize that only if you climb the mountain, you will be able to view the plain. Thank you, Professor, for all what you have done to bring out the best in us. Dr. Udit Liyanage, Director of PIM, the new and innovative perspective with which you looked at everything encouraged us to unleash our creativity and expand our horizons. I'm sure we would all now think of the best way to get the point across in all life's challenges. You continuously challenged us to achieve great heights, motivated us when times were tough, and guided us not just on coursework, but on life itself. You taught us how to play the diverse roles of life and how to manage relationships without failing in any of the duties, which was a big challenge for most of us being newlyweds. You remind us of the saying of General George Patton, never tell people how to do things. Tell them what to do, and they will surprise you with their ingenuity. We hope, sir, that you were indeed surprised at our ingenuity and our resilience and creativity through all the challenges you set us. We are sincerely grateful to all the faculty members of PIM for sharing with us so generously your knowledge and experiences and for creating such a conducive and a positive learning environment. Thank you for being so approachable and so supportive. Let us also appreciate the support extended to us by the administrative staff led by Mr. Ramanathan. We are indeed grateful for the sacrifices made and the support extended to us by our parents, our spouses, who we found a little bit more difficult to manage than our parents, and our children, who may have wondered why their parents are still sitting for exams. Thank you for standing by us during the good and the not so good times. Thank you for that helping hand you lent during those stressful moments. Thank you for the sacrifices you made to help us balance work, family, and study. Without your support, we would not have been able to accomplish any of this today. Finally, we need to thank each other. In many ways, we have helped one another. We have shared friendship and happiness, and also frustration and tension. Each one of us has contributed to that unique experience we have had. Right here at PIM, we truly epitomize the statement, united we stand, divided we fall. Thank you for keeping the flame of friendship glowing. Today is not the end of the journey, but rather an important milestone of a journey as far as the horizon. As we sail our ships with a sense of confidence and the power of determination in our quest to conquer new land, we will always treasure the fond memories of the times we had at PIM. Let me wish you happy memories and good luck in all your future endeavors, and end with a quote from Winston Churchill. We are still masters of our fate. We are still captains of